everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. Today I will show you how to make Japanese style breadcrumb used as a coating for deep fried foods such as tonkatsu. This breadcrumb is called panko. Panko is an essential ingredient for Japanese tonkatsu and many other Japanese deep fried dishes. If you use panko, you get light and crunchy coating for deep fried foods. I will show you how to make homemade panko. First, tear the bread into small pieces and put them in a blender. Process bread in a blender. If you don't have a blender, freeze your bread first and grate frozen bread with a grater. Now I'm going to dehydrate my panko. Heat panko over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is dried out. Transfer panko in a container and seal it. You can keep panko for 2 weeks in a fridge and about 1 month in a freezer. In my next video, I will show you how to make katsu using panko. If you think this video is informative, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to watch specific Japanese recipe, please leave a comment. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!